first I'm going to show you how I got here. So I'm selling my used Hubsan Zino Mini Pro, and I'm selling it for $450. In the comments of my YouTube section of one that I was selling before, they said that you probably shouldn't sell it for more than $400, and that was with 2 batteries. So that's where we are. I have it for $450. If it goes down lower, whatever. I'm just trying to get rid of it. Anyway, so what I decided then, let's go ahead and go to Hubsan. So let me see what Hubsan has in price for. So I went to go to Hubsan.com, and it took me here to Exo Drones. So what it seems like is Hubsan has now turned into Exo Drones, and if you're familiar with Exo Drones, they pretty much just rebrand cheaper drones and sell them at a marked up price, and that's what you're getting when you get an Exo drone. I hate to say it, but that's just the way it is. If you look at what they've done before, if you look at this MGX Bug 16 for $249 right now on Banggood. If I go here, it's the Cinemaster 2 for $349, and there's the markup. If I go and look at this SG 906 Max, which has an obstacle avoidance on top, you can see that that is what their Ranger is. And again, let's see how much that drone is. $269 on their website. So again, on here it's $179. It's a flash sale, and it would normally be $249, but you wouldn't buy anything on here that wasn't a flash anyway. And again, on Exo Drones, it is for $269. Classic edition. We'll see if it's any different. I think it's the same price. USA edition, classic edition. It's not changing. So if you give a little history behind Exo Drones, that's what they do. They pretty much rebrand drones. They don't typically make them. They just take whatever drones out there, whatever they're making. Either they're making the outside case to it, or they're having that company that made the drones make a case specific for them and to look like an Exo drone. And it seems like that's what they're doing. So if you go to their newest drone, which is their Black Hawk 2 series drone, this is what Hubsan was supposed to come up with, which was going to be their replacement to the older DJI Air. And that's it right there. And let's see how much they have this for. They have it for $799. So they are obviously marking up these drones. They are rebranding drones and marking them up. And the thing about Exo Drones, not the good thing, but the thing that they do well is if you look on YouTube, you get ads. You go to Facebook, you get ads. They put out a lot of marketing for their drones. So if you didn't know any better, you would think this must be a good drone company because they put out all this marketing for it, and they seem to do a pretty good job doing it. And it seems now they're getting some influencers that are big into drones. They're getting them to review the drones so that it gives it a little more, legitimacy in what they're doing. And I'm just here to let you know, this is what you're getting. You're getting a rebranded drone. If you're okay with that, then that's great. Now, the funny thing is, if you go now and try to buy a Hubsan Zino, and you go to Amazon, for one, you can't go to Hubsan. If you go to Hubsan on Amazon and you click on it and you look at the Zino Mini Pro, see all buying options, Hubsan is now selling them on there for $729, which is absolutely ridiculous. And if you look at the difference, they also have the Zino Mini for $479, and that was the one that they came out with more recently. And this one is actually better than the one that you get for Exo Drones, because this one comes with the same camera as the Pro with the 1.13 inch sensor right here. Whereas on the Exo Drone, when you get the, let's go back, when you get the regular Mini that doesn't have obstacle avoidance, you're getting Zino's SC version, which is, come on, a 1/2 6-inch sensor, and 12 megapixels. So the one that's not the Pro and doesn't have obstacle avoidance is now $499, and the one with obstacle avoidance and the better camera is $649. And if I go down to see what all comes with, it does include some LUTs and presets. That's not very important. Free 107 training, okay. And then free 1 year Exo Premium, $49 value. Not sure what that is. I searched around the website to see what that means. I'm not sure. Go to warranties. It does give you a warranty, standard 1 year from any defaults. Replacement insurance, I believe what they were talking about before is this replacement insurance. And this is, you can replace it if something goes bad, as long as you didn't do it on purpose. And you get one replacement drone for that. All right, that's it for the video. I just wanted you to know what you're getting. If you're getting an Exo drone, it seems like the newer ones you're getting, this new Black Hawk and Mini Pro, you're pretty much getting Hubsan drone. So if you can do all the research you want on YouTube about the Hubsans, and you can go to the forums about the Hubsans and get more knowledge on those drones before you purchase the Exo drone, because you're pretty much getting the same thing. All right, let me know what you think about this in the comments below, and yeah, let me know what you think. And thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.